HJ Weave Beauty hair. I'm looking real cute. This is like super spring summer hair. Honestly, this hairstyle is so cute. Like, oh my gosh. Like, tell me this style isn't the cutest. Hey family, here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video where I will be attempting some baby hair art. Okay, first of all, I really like baby hair art. I feel like a lot of people drag baby hair art like on the face. They're like, oh, it's adult hair, it's grown-up hair. Listen, I really like it. I'm here for the art. Okay, this actually took me so long to do and I'm low-key kind of proud. It's low-key kind of abstract. And then I also show you guys how I attempt to lay down my lace. I swear, every time I try to lay down a frontal, listen, it only looks good in pictures and it only looks good from a distance. Don't come up on me, okay? Don't be all up in my frontal, okay? You gonna see the lace, okay? You gonna see where I put the makeup on the lace. I mean, but from far away, she looks pretty good, okay? She's pretty cute. So this hair is from HJ Weave Beauty hair. I have in there, hold on, let me pull it up on my phone because I can never remember, girl. Okay, this is their Indian deep wave bundles. You remember when I said, y'all, I ain't messing with Brazilian, Malaysian, Peruvian, who? Okay, Indian hair, oh my gosh, it's so good. But I mean, I can't really tell if it's Indian or not. I think I would be able to really tell if it's straight, but I'm not about to straighten curly hair. No, what's the point? Okay, anyways, it is their Indian deep wave bundles. I have in 10, 12, and 14-inch bundles, but the frontal is not Indian, and that's why the frontal looks a little off. So I put it in this cute little top bun. She's so cute. Like, I love these kind of styles. Like, they're so cute. Anyways, the frontal is Brazilian deep wave. So these are Indian deep wave. Honestly, it looks curly, to be honest. I can't even tell the difference between curly and deep wave, honestly, for honestly speaking. But frontal is Brazilian. The frontal is 10 inches. So I have a 10-inch frontal and then 10, 12, 14. Honestly, I should have got I forget, like, when you make the wig, you should get the same length of the frontal as you do the shortest bundle. Okay, so since I got, oh wait, I did do that, huh? I'm tripping. Never mind. Don't listen to me. But anyways, the frontal was just a little too short. Like, it wasn't blending, honey. So that's why I put it up in this top bun action. But I'm really just about to show you guys how I laid down the frontal and how I created this baby hair art. I'm not gonna lie, this wasn't easy. Like, I was low-key stressing, but she's real cute, honey. This is so cute. Like, I really love this style. It's so cute. So without further ado, if you are interested in seeing how I achieved or how I attempted, okay, this baby hair art, little action, and how I attempt, okay, I'm not the best, okay, I'm no pro, I'm still learning, okay, so don't come for me, but how my beginner self, how me, ahliyahmichelle, lays down her frontal, okay, then stay tuned, keep on watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. This video was in partnership with HJ Weave Beauty hair. It just comes in this generic DHL packaging. I got 3 bundles and a frontal. I was a little disappointed that it did not come in good packaging and fancy packaging because their site is pretty professional and they're one of the more professional AliExpress companies. So I was disappointed, but this is what the frontal looks like. It is a 13x4 Brazilian deep wave. And the bundles are Indian deep wave. I got 10, 12, and 14-inch bundles. As I said in the intro, this is what the wefting looks like. Pretty professional. They have their own label. They have the cards. This is what the bundles look like side by side before I made the wig and co-washed these bundles. So we are about to put this wig on, honey. Well, first of all, let's get some Got to Be Glued. Get the free spray as well as some Eco Styler gel or whatever gel that you like. But I was going to say, I'm using a wig cap that's a little darker than my skin tone because when I go to put my makeup on and bronze my skin, this wig cap color is perfecto. So bring that wig cap all the way down to your brows and you only want a little teeny tiny bit of glue. I've made the mistake in the past of putting entirely too much glue because I'm very heavy-handed. I'm just a heavy-handed person. I'm heavy-handed with everything, girl. That's why I be going through bottles of foundation, girl, everything, okay? But be sure to use only a little bit. There's no point in gooping on all of that gel because one, the wig cap is it's very skinty, it's very thin. We just want it to stick to our head. So just take a very, very thin layer and then we're going to seal the deal it with some freeze spray, rub that in, and let her dry. This took about 40 minutes, but if you have a blow dryer, it'll take quicker. I just don't really like being under blow dryers. I don't like it, girl. This is me doing the timer dance. Hey, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Let this dry, okay, completely. It's dry to the touch. Yes, we're good. Now we are going to go ahead and cut off the excess wig cap. This is very straightforward. I was like, ooh, girl. Low-key, I just don't like impressions onto my skin, and this wig cap put impressions into my forehead. I always be thinking that's gonna give me wrinkles, but anyways, just cut off the excess wig cap. I know you guys have probably seen so many tutorials on this method, honey, but I'm not really showing you guys, a tutorial on this method. This is just how I'm laying it down, girl, because I'm practicing. I'm trying to perfect this method because honestly, this is one of the best methods on how to make your wig look like scalp, honey. So now I'm just measuring the lace against my wig cap. I haven't perfected making frontal wigs yet. We're getting better. We're getting there. Now they're a little closer, a closer fit, but I do have excess wig cap out. So what I'm going to do is measure it up and then push back what's peeking out because girl, honey, girl, no, we do not want that to be peeking out. So I'm just going to take some water. Luckily, the Got2b glue just lifts up easily with water. So I'm just placing some water and then scooching it back. This will not rip out your edges if you do it properly. Make sure to soften up the glue with water. So that's what I'm doing. And then I'm just going to cut off the excess wig cap so it's not showing when I put my wig down. We want that to be seamless. And I'm going to do that to the other side. I'm just taking some water, softening up the glue, and pushing back the wig cap that is peeking through my lace, or like it's what do you call it? It's like after my lace. I don't know. You know what I'm trying to say. So I'm just going to take that off. I'm going to cut the lace off, and now I'm just going to put another very thin layer of glue, honey, and this is what our lace is going to stick to. And honestly, it'll get tacky quicker if you only put a thin layer. Don't put a thick layer. That's why some people don't really like this method, because you're using too much glue. If you use too much glue or gel, it'll just seep through the lace and it'll just turn into a hot ass mess, girl. Okay, so I'm just cleaning up whatever got onto my skin, and now I'm just gonna put the wig on and slowly start molding down the lace, honey. Clip back your hair so it doesn't get into the gel, girl, because it's happened to me, honey. It became a mess real quick. And I'm just going to slowly start laying down the lace. And honestly, you'll feel it. It'll just stick right away. This is the version that only lasts a day. Don't expect, if you use Got2b glue, don't expect this to last like a couple days, because it won't. It'll just start to lift. But I don't like wearing my wigs for more than a day, honey, because ooh, girl, my scalp be itching. Anyways, I'm just taking this edge brush and molding down the lace. This part didn't stick, so I'm just going to put some more freeze spray and let it stick. And now we are going to work onto this baby hair action. This was actually, I freestyled this, okay? This wasn't really a tutorial. I just felt like playing and being creative with baby hairs. These short pieces are ones I already cut prior, like when I made the wig, because I didn't really know where I was going with this wig. I didn't know what I wanted to do. At first, I wanted to wand curl some deep wave hair, but then this deep wave hair wasn't the same deep wave hair that Peak Mill had, because I remember she posted on Instagram that she wand curled some deep wave hair. So that's really the only reason why I was trying deep wave hair, but it just ain't come out the same, so we had to do a change of plan. So now I'm just freestyling some baby hair art. I was really struggling. This took a minute. It took a lot of manipulation, a lot of patience. I was like, girl, this looks horrible, but I just kept playing with it. So I would highly recommend that you do not do your makeup, okay, before you lay your wig. Lay your wig down first, get it nice and good, get it nice and snatched, honey, get it nice and laid, and then do your makeup. It's just, your makeup will be a hot mess if you do it before you lay down your wig. Trust, girl, especially if you don't really know what you're doing when you're laying down the lace, honey. So girl, just wait till after, honey. So now I'm just going to like play with the baby hairs. It took a lot of manipulation, a lot of patience. You're gonna see me get a little red in this footage because one, girl, these lights is hot. This took me about an hour to do because I was getting a little frustrated. It was a little different for me. It wasn't going in the direction in which I wanted it to go. So basically all I'm doing is playing with it, girl. Just watch me. Oh my gosh, I was devastated, honey. I kept messing up so many times. I was getting so frustrated, but honestly, it came out really good. So I was just playing with it. And honestly, I don't know if you guys are the same way, but I hate putting like hair product on my actual skin. Like putting gel on my skin makes me cringe. So honestly, I'm not really a fan of like laying down baby hairs on my skin, but I just wanted to try it out for the one time. If you guys are like that too, let me know. Comment it down below. Am I alone? I just hate putting hair product onto my skin. I hate it. I feel like it's gonna make me break out. Okay, I will say that this side that I'm doing right now came out a little janky because like I said, I had cut short pieces prior. So the piece that I just finessed, I wish it was longer, but I had to like make it do what it do. So it kind of looks a little wonky. So I had to loop-de-whooped it so it can look somewhat cohesive. Okay, so we laid down the baby hairs. I'm just gonna pick out the hair, fluff it up. I didn't like how it was laying. It was just not a type of wig that you could just wear down like that unless I had some fancy curly hair products, but I didn't. So I'm just gonna do this half up, half down, messy bun, cute summer style. The frontal just wasn't all the way matching with the bundle, so I had to do something with it. So I'm just gonna take a rubber band, tie it up, and then I'm gonna take that excess bundle that I had because I didn't use all of the bundles, and I'm just going to wrap it around, honey, and make a messy bun. With curly hair, you can really get away with a super messy bun because it don't matter, it's curly. It looks frizzy and messy anyways, but it looks good at the same time. So I just clip that down. I go ahead and do my makeup off camera. I'm just kind of perfecting how much I'm picking at this hair. And honestly, I did put a lot of curly hair products in this, but it still was frizzy. So I just have, let me guys, give me some suggestions on some curly hair products for like wigs, honey. But anyways, this completes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this baby hair art, this cute summer hairstyle. I really like it. It looks really good. Honey, where's that lace, honey? Well, you know, if you came up on me in person, you would be able to see the waist. I mean the lace. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are not, girl. And before I close out this video, I do want to go ahead and give a post notification shout out to Kid Sister. What's up, girl? Thank you so much for having my post notifications on. I appreciate you so much. I appreciate your support, girl. I appreciate your love. If you would like an appreciation shout out on one of my videos, be sure you are subscribed to my channel. Tap that bell to be notified of my future uploads, and hashtag notification gang or squad after your comment. And until next time, always remember to serve, honey, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.